So you have added the products, created the collection, designed the home page, designed the product page, created all the necessary pages, connected the domain, created the logos and all those stuff. Now you are ready to launch your business. What do you do? This is when you select a Shopify plan. Alright, so let's do it right now. So I'm gonna come down here to settings right here. And then here you have to go to the plan right here. And then you have to click on change plan. And this is what you get. Alright, so monthly it's gonna be a little bit expensive. This is my currency. If you don't understand what this is, the monthly plan comes at around $29, and yearly if you do it you can save around 50%, so you will get it for around $14 a month if you do it yearly, and it depends on the country you live in, and you can see all the differences of these different plans. So if your business is a small scale business, then you can obviously start from this basic Shopify, but in case you already have a lot of investments going in, then you may need this other plan. For example, here you see in this basic Shopify you can have 2 staff members, and for this plan right here, which is the Shopify plan, you can add up to 5 staff members. This can be people working on the design on your online store, doing the orders, customizing and all those stuff. And here you can have up to 4 locations in the basic Shopify. So this is physical locations where you keep your inventory or stocks, and for this one you can have up to 5 locations. And this advanced Shopify you can have up to 8 locations. And also the transaction fee, here it is 2%, but here it is just 1%, and here it is only 0.5%. Make sure you check all that and see which one is right for your business. But if it is the first time you are selling online, probably this is a small scale business, so I think the basic Shopify will be the right plan for you. I'm not gonna choose a plan, it doesn't make sense. I'm not launching a business called Rainson course. What I have been showing you throughout all these video lessons are examples for you to follow. Alright, so you choose the plan and that's it. That's how you activate your online store. So after you activate your online store, what is the first thing you need to do? So the first thing which you need to do is to go here in online store right here. After you select the plan, alright, so this is after you select the plan. And then here you go to preferences. And after this, what you have to do is you have to scroll all the way down, and here you should be able to disable this password. For now, I don't have a plan selected, that's why this is checked. You have to uncheck this one, and this will make your store public, so anybody can visit your online store with your domain. So whatever domain you bought and link with your online store, people will be able to visit your online store with the domain. Alright, so after you uncheck this one, everything will be set. So the next thing which you need to do in this preferences is the homepage title. This is for search engines, so this is not something that will show up in your online store. This is when people search on Google. So when people search on Google and your online store appears, what do you want the title to be and what do you want the description to be? Here in homepage title, you can write in any title you want, which will appear in search results, and here is the description. Alright, so make sure you fill this out for better ranking in Google and stuff. And next is the social sharing image. So this is when people share your link on WhatsApp or Facebook. The small image that appears, it will show this one. And that's pretty much what you have to do here in preferences. Next, let's move on to the next step. The next step is a really important step, which is to accept payment for your online store. So Shopify will not do that for you. You have to add a payment gateway, which I'll be showing right now. So you have to go to settings. And here in payments, you have to click on here. So after you click on payments, this is what you will see. And here you see Shopify payments. Shopify payments is not available for all countries. So if you don't see this, don't worry, I will show you the other options. But in case you see this, simply activate it. And they will ask you for your name, your address, and then your store can accept credit cards and other modes of payment. Also, make sure you link your PayPal, and your PayPal has to be business PayPal. In case your PayPal is personal PayPal, you have to convert it into business PayPal, and then just click on activate PayPal. It will take you to your PayPal, and then you have to do some linking. It's not complicated, everything is self-explanatory, so don't worry about that. So in case you don't have Shopify payments in your country, you will have other options. So go to Google and search for it, Shopify payment gateway. So let's just do that right now. So I'm here in Google. Let's just find the payment gateways available in any given country. Alright, so in my case, I'm in India. So I'm just gonna say Shopify payment gateway and I'm gonna type in India. Alright, so if you are in Kenya, it has to be Shopify payment gateway Kenya. Search it something like that. Alright, so for me, I'm just gonna go Shopify payment gateway India. I'm just gonna search for it and scroll down, and here in shopify.in, as you can see, I click on this and you can find all the information right here. I'm gonna scroll down and these are all the payment gateways available in India. So just search for it and find one for your country, see which one is the most popular one, and you have to sign up and create an account through them. In my case, I have to search for Razorpay and create an account, and after I do that, I can come back to my Shopify store to link my Razorpay. So here in Shopify, if you want to add your payment gateway, what you have to do is click on this add payment methods, and here you have to go search by provider and type in the name of your provider. So here you can see it is showing all the options I have. Simply select the payment gateway you have, click on it and set it up and link it, and that is it. After you link it, your store can accept payment through the payment gateways. And lastly, which is the most important thing if you are selling physical products, is shipping and delivery. If you are not selling physical products, if everything you sell is digital, it's course or it's some PDF or ebook, then you don't need to do this one. You can simply go to the next video lesson. This video lesson is no longer important to you. But for those who are selling physical products, this is a very important part of this video lesson. So here in shipping and delivery, this is where you set up your shipping prices. So if you are providing local delivery, that is within your own city. So by default, they already have a profile called general and for all products, and the rates for domestic and rest of the world, right? So I'm just going to click on manage. And this is what we have right here. I'm just going to delete all this one, and let's just start from scratch. I'm just going to delete this as well. Alright, now let's just start from scratch. Alright, so create shipping zone. I'm going to click on this. And here what you can do is you can select particular countries and set the shipping price differently. But let's just select this rest of the world. I'm just going to make it the same just to give you an example. Zone name, I'm just going to say shipping. And I'm going to click on done. So we have the shipping right here, rest of the world, and now I'm going to add rate. So when I click on this, set up your own rate. Rate name, I'm just going to say free shipping. Alright, the price is going to be free. I'm just going to click on add free shipping, and I'm going to add conditions based on order price. Alright, so the minimum price, I'm going to say 74. So if somebody makes an order at least for $74, they're gonna get this free shipping as an option. You can also do this based on the item weight, but I don't think for free shipping it doesn't make sense. So based on order price, if it is at least $74, they're gonna get free shipping. I'm gonna click on done, and this is what we have. Alright, next I'm gonna click on add rate, and the rate name I'm gonna say standard shipping 5 to 10 days, something like that. I'm gonna add, and the price, let's just say $3.99, and that's it. That's what I'm gonna add. So whenever people check out, they're gonna see this price, but when their order value is more than $74, they're gonna see the free shipping as an option. Alright, so you can create a different shipping rate here. And also you can create a different shipping zone. So in case you want to create a separate zone for, let's say, Canada, I'm just going to type in here. And then you can create different shipping prices for this country. Or if you want to do it differently for the different states, you can do it. Alright, you have all these options right here. And this is for the general profile in case you are shipping in countries and states. But what if you are shipping within your own city? That is local delivery. So to offer local delivery, just click on whatever address you have right here, and then click on this location offers local delivery. And once you are here, you can set up in a different way. You can use pin codes, and then you can also set delivery radius. So You can set the zone name, whatever local name it is, and then you can add the pin codes, and then you can add the prices and stuff. You can even have delivery information, and you can also create new delivery zone right here. So this is really self-explanatory. I think you will get it once you are inside this dashboard. So my friends, as a little piece of motivation, don't get frustrated, don't be scared because you might think you set it up the wrong way. Just set up the shipping rates, just set up the local delivery if you do local delivery, and just start selling. Even if there is a mistake, you can always sense it. You can always learn from your mistake. This is not a life and death situation. That is it, my friends, for this video lesson. Once you customize all those stuff in settings, your store is ready for launch and people will be able to place orders on your online store. And I wish you get a lot of sales and make a lot of money. That is it for this video lesson. See you in the next video lesson.